अबे चलो चलो जल्दी चलो. This is how they celebrated their Valentine's last night, and it's time for my celebrations, Valentine's celebrations. Okay, wait. Okay, friends, good morning. This is 14th of February 2018. Yes, it's a Valentine's Day, and I'm on my way to get my Valentine home. And we are here. I've already introduced you guys to them. This is Sandeep and this is Rebu. Now we are going to Indore, and I will be picking up my motorcycle today. And most of you guys who are in personal contact with me are already aware which bike I'm going for. But for those who are not aware, it's going to be a surprise. Considering the new bike to be the reincarnation of my own R15, so it's my R15 is there with me, just in a different shape and size. So see you once we get to the motorcycle showroom. Bye. My heart is about to pump out.
नहीं.
आज हम लोगों के बीच में दीपक सर हैं, सबके लिए क्लिपिंग. Okay, so boys, here this is. I am an owner of Inline 4 648cc Honda CBR 650. What about that? Oh, this is huge. This is something I really can't get my head around. Oh, this bike feels huge, man. Oh, my heart is almost about to pump out of my chest right now. Wow. Well, the seat is quite comfortable, I must say, and the riding position is exactly what I wanted, man. And I must say, I was really scared when I started up this beast. You know, I was scared of the first revs, and I was scared of leaving the clutch. But I must say the lower revs are very, very comfortable. The pull is very controlled. Well, I haven't yet heard the Inline symphony to its best. Thank you. 7.98. Thank you, buddy. Guys, oh man, what a pull! Oh, I have not experienced anything like this. Oh, my hands almost left the handlebars. There was so much of pull. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay. Well, we have reached Mount, and now what we have to do is the by order customary puja of this motorcycle. So I've taken some flowers, I've taken Mata ki chunni. भाई 2 नारियल दे देना जरा बस. दो नारियल दे दो. So guys, that's how my Valentine went, and I'm now an owner of an Honda CBR 650f. You know what that means, right? The vlogs from now on are going to be even better. They're going to be more exciting. And then there is always that Inline 4 Symphony, right? So stay tuned, and if you guys have not subscribed to me yet, please do subscribe right now. I'm going to leave you guys with that sweet Inline 4 Symphony. Don't leave without hearing that, right? And I'll see you next week. Until then, this is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, signing off. Ride safe. चल रहा हूँ. कहाँ जा रहा है तू?